Welcome to Global Feed. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more breaking updates. What happens when you leave not just your home, not just the familiar blue planet that has cradled humanity for millennia, but also the very influence of your star behind? Imagine crossing a threshold where the warmth and light of the sun, the force that has shaped every moment of life on Earth, finally fades into the cold, endless dark. What lies beyond the reach of our sun's protective bubble? What mysteries wait in the vast, uncharted ocean of interstellar space, where the rules we know begin to unravel, and the unknown stretches out forever? For millennia, we've wondered where our solar system ends and the galaxy truly begins. Ancient astronomers gazed at the night sky, dreaming of distant worlds and the boundaries of our cosmic neighborhood. Today, we know that the edge is not a simple line, but a shifting, dynamic frontier, shaped by forces both familiar and alien. We imagined a calm void, a gentle crossing into the unknown, but the universe had a far more dramatic reality in store. A place of swirling gases, violent storms, and cosmic rays that batter anything daring enough to cross. In 1977, Voyager 1 and 2 launched on a mission that would redefine our understanding of the solar system. These twin spacecraft first explored the giant outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, sending back breathtaking images and rewriting textbooks. But their true journey was only just beginning as they set their course for the edge of everything we know. Their mission, bold and unprecedented, was to find the boundary where the sun's influence ends, a region called the Heliopause. Here, the solar wind collides with the interstellar medium, creating a turbulent, ever-shifting borderland. These twin probes became our first interstellar explorers, searching for a line invisible from Earth, a frontier that no human or machine had ever crossed before. They carried with them the hopes, dreams, and questions of an entire planet. What they found was stranger and more violent than anyone predicted, a turbulent borderland, not a peaceful frontier. Here, the sun's power is finally overcome by the forces of the galaxy, and the environment becomes unpredictable, chaotic, and filled with dangers we are only beginning to understand. The story of Voyager is about more than just science and discovery. It's about what it means to be safe, to be home, and the profound risks that await us beyond our solar bubble. As Voyager drifts ever farther from Earth, it carries with it a message that the human spirit is restless, always seeking, always daring to journey to the edge of everything. To understand the edge, you must first understand the bubble we live in, the heliosphere. The sun's solar wind creates this vast protective bubble, shielding us from the galaxy's harshest radiation. Without it, deadly cosmic rays from ancient supernovae would bombard Earth, making life impossible. The heliosphere isn't a perfect sphere. It's shaped and shifted by the sun's cycles and our journey through the galaxy. Its outer edge, the heliopause, is where the solar wind's push is finally stopped by the interstellar medium. Think of it as the shoreline where our sun's influence meets the galaxy's ocean. This is a place of immense turbulence, a cosmic battleground. The Voyagers were sent to find and cross this mysterious, violent boundary. After decades of silent travel through the vast emptiness, Voyager 1 reached an astonishing milestone: 122 astronomical units from the sun. That's a distance so immense it's almost impossible to comprehend. Voyager was now farther from Earth than any other human-made object in history. Over 11 billion miles away, Voyager 1 was a tiny speck in the cosmic ocean, its faint signal taking over 16 hours to reach us back on Earth. The probe was now so far that the sun itself appeared as just another bright star in the endless black. Then, something remarkable happened. Suddenly, the familiar solar particles that had surrounded Voyager for decades vanished, replaced by a surge of cosmic rays from the galaxy beyond. The data was clear: Voyager had entered a new realm. Voyager had crossed the heliopause, the invisible boundary where the sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. This was a frontier no spacecraft had ever crossed before. For the first time in human history, a machine built on Earth had entered interstellar space, confirming that the heliosphere truly acts as a protective shield, a bubble that shelters our solar system from the harshness of the galaxy. 6 years later, Voyager 2 followed, crossing the boundary at a slightly different location. This revealed that the heliosphere isn't a perfect sphere, but a dented, irregular bubble shaped by the forces of the galaxy. Voyager 2's instruments, still functioning after decades, sent back even richer data. These new findings confirmed and expanded on what Voyager 1 had discovered, giving us a more complete picture of this mysterious boundary. The crossing showed that the heliopause is not a vague or gradual transition but a sharp, well-defined boundary, less than 1,000,000 miles thick, a razor-thin edge between the sun's domain and the galaxy beyond. The Voyagers didn't just approach this line, they crossed it, becoming our silent witnesses to the universe beyond the sun's reach. Out there, they drift in the darkness, carrying our hopes and questions into the unknown. Their data proved that our solar system is like a calm, protected bay, surrounded by a stormy galactic sea. The heliosphere shields us from cosmic radiation and interstellar winds, making life on Earth possible. The leap into interstellar space was not a gentle drift, but a sudden dramatic plunge into the unknown, a bold step into the vast, uncharted darkness that lies beyond our sun's embrace. As the Voyagers crossed the heliopause, they found not cold, but a region of staggering heat, the wall of fire. Plasma here reached up to 50,000 Kelvin, far hotter than the sun's surface. This heat comes from particles colliding and slowing, converting motion into thermal energy. Yet, the region is so empty that the probes felt no warmth, just the frigid cold of deep space. The danger isn't heat, but the high-energy particles themselves. The heliopause is not a gentle frontier, but a violent, energetic shock front. It's a turbulent threshold, marking the abrupt end of our sun's influence. The transition to interstellar space is anything but peaceful. Beyond the wall of fire, Voyager found a magnetic mystery. Scientists expected magnetic chaos at the heliopause, but instead, the magnetic fields inside and outside were nearly aligned. It's as if the galaxy's magnetic field draped smoothly over our solar bubble. This was not predicted, suggesting a deeper connection between our sun and the galaxy. The alignment hints at unknown processes at play, forcing us to rethink our models. Magnetic fields shape the flow of cosmic rays and the structure of space itself. Understanding this magnetic handshake is crucial for future interstellar missions. The boundary of our home is more mysterious than we ever imagined. Voyager's data is more than science, it's a warning. The instant the probes crossed the heliopause, cosmic rays spiked, confirming the galaxy's hostility. Outside the heliosphere, radiation is deadly. Unprotected astronauts would face catastrophic health risks. The wall of fire and magnetic chaos add further hazards for both electronics and biology. Leaving the solar system is not like sailing calm seas, it's braving a violent cosmic storm. Our heliosphere is a sanctuary, shielding us from a universe that is anything but benign. For now, we are confined to our solar system by the harsh realities of physics. Voyager has shown us just how much we depend on our sun's invisible shield. Nearly 50 years on, the Voyagers still whisper from the darkness, their legacy immeasurable. Launched in 1977, these twin spacecraft have traveled farther than any human-made object in history, carrying with them the hopes, dreams, and questions of an entire planet. Their journey is a testament to our relentless curiosity and our desire to reach beyond the familiar, to touch the unknown. They turned points of light into worlds, revealing the swirling storms of Jupiter, the icy rings of Saturn, and the mysterious moons that orbit these distant giants. With each flyby, the Voyagers transformed our understanding of the solar system, showing us wonders we had only imagined. Then, as their primary mission ended, they ventured beyond, giving us our first taste of interstellar space, a realm untouched by any other probe, where the sun's influence fades and the galaxy itself becomes the backdrop. New missions like IMAP will map the heliosphere's edge in unprecedented detail, building on the path the Voyagers blazed. These missions will help us understand how our solar system interacts with the wider galaxy, and how cosmic forces shape the environment that protects our world. The data they send back connects distant space to our daily lives, influencing everything from satellite technology to our understanding of cosmic weather. Their discoveries ripple through science, inspiring new generations to look up and wonder. The Voyagers are a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity, built by teams of dedicated engineers and scientists who dared to dream big. Their success is a reminder of what we can achieve when we work together, united by a common goal. Each carries a golden record, a message in a bottle for the cosmos, filled with the sounds, music, and greetings of Earth, in case some distant intelligence should ever find them. But their true gift is for us, reminding us to look back at our own world with new eyes, to see ourselves as part of a vast, interconnected universe. They offer a mirror showing our home's boundaries, the thin blue line of atmosphere that shields us from the void, and the protective bubble we inhabit, the heliosphere, a fragile shield against the harshness of interstellar space. By reaching the edge, they revealed the true nature of our fragile haven. showing us just how precious and vulnerable our planet truly is. Their final message is one of perspective, a cosmic vantage point that humbles and inspires, reminding us of our place in the universe. Our solar system is a home, a tiny oasis in a vast and mysterious expanse, shielded from a dangerous universe by invisible forces we are only beginning to understand. That discovery matters to every person on Earth, a reminder that we share this fragile world, and that our destiny is tied to the stars. As Voyager's signal grows fainter, its legacy endures, a final, poignant echo from the edge of everything, urging us to keep exploring, keep dreaming, and never stop reaching for the unknown.